This is a simple and fast review of the SUIKIHUM Expandable 2-in-1 backpack and briefcase. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this out of its box, it's pretty nicely wrapped up here. Comes in a plastic bag. I do want to say that it's kind of like a briefcase backpack. It's not just your your tiny little thing. This is going to be a decent sized backpack. As you can see, relatively thick. We're gonna I like that it's kind of not, it's kind of squarish or rectangle-ish, but it's just flat. There's no real dramatic designs or anything. I kind of like that. On the front, you got a nice little deep pocket here. I'm going to kind of walk through a couple of these pockets as we go. Another front pocket with this goes all the way down, this pocket right here. Well, I figured I would just kind of show it a little differently. So front pocket, again, kind of opens up, has dividers in here. I'm not sure if you're able to see, but spots for pens, stuff like that. And then we have another front that's going to be kind of your full length pocket on one side, but not the other. So just be aware that that goes all the way down. It does kind of showcase some more pockets in here. Some spots for your pens, a mesh area as well. This is also where you're going to plug in your, if you want to carry a charger or a power bank that you can use from the exterior and plug in right here. That would be the spot. And this will probably just pop right open. It does. So you can plug in a USB-C or a USB-A, which is a really, really nice feature. I'm just going to bring that up so you can see it. That is a huge feature because a lot of these are just USB-A. So I like that a lot. So that's really nice. And then of course you'll have spots for your laptop, your iPad, stuff like that, padded. Both are padded here. So really, really nice travel option there. That is the front. As noted, you kind of carry this like a briefcase if you choose to. You have a spot for a water bottle. And as noted, this thing kind of will allow it to expand a little bit and get deeper. You can tighten this up if needed as well, utilizing these. And then finally, you'll have your backpack area. So opening that back up actually on the side here. Show you that this is kind of where you have the option to use more of your deep area for clothing. This is more of like an overnight bag, not like a full-fledged suitcase or anything, or carry-on. It's going to have plenty of space for your wets and stuff like that. Some pockets here, and this is where your clothing would go on the back towards you. Just to clarify, and that is a decent amount, but it's not going to be more than a weekend probably of clothing, depending on what you're carrying. And then we also have some removable bands for your arms, for your shoulder straps. Those are clippable, removable, which is a nice feature, and these spin 100 or 360 degrees. So again, a lot of different functionality. I'm going to throw some clothes in it, some stuff in it to give you an idea. But there's two different ways to carry. You can carry on the top, you can carry on the side. Plenty of space on the water. A really good looking bag. We'll go ahead and throw some stuff and show you what it looks like on. All right, so it is very comfortable on the back, lightweight, frankly, and honestly, you feel it a little bit by the clips on the side, but the clips up top you don't feel at all because they're just perfectly positioned. So this thing is awesome. Definitely a great little travel backpack and or suitcase for planes, for short weekend rides and stuff like that. This is awesome. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.